हेलो गाइस, आज हम जा रहे थे वेस्ट दाशोर लेक के ट्रैक पे। बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मौसम सुबह सुबह काफ़ी ख़राब होने की वजह से कैंसिल करना पड़ा। तो मुझे तो लगा था आज कोई ट्रैक पे जाऊंगा नहीं, पूरे दिन संडे ऐसे ही बर्बाद हो जाएगा। बट फाइनली आई थॉट कि चलो कहीं चला जाए, कहीं नियर बाय लोकेशन। तो मैं हमटा पास जाके वहाँ पे बाइक से जहाँ तक जा सकते हैं वहाँ तक जाते हैं। एंड देन लाइक एंड फिर वहाँ पे कैंप करके रुकते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है। इस समय अराउंड 1:30 बज रहा है। इस टाइम मैं काफ़ी लेट हो चुका हूँ। और अभी तक का सो फार मेरे जितने भी एक्सपीरियंसेस है लेट ट्रैक के, हैज़ बीन लाइक डिज़ास्ट्रस। बहुत ही बेकार एक्सपीरियंस रहा। इट वाज मतलब वेरी चैलेंजिंग, वेरी टफ। बट यस, जितने भी मेरे थे ट्रैक जिसमें मैंने लेट शुरू किया है, आई थिंक मैं सेम डे वापस आया हूँ। नहीं, एक ट्रैक था जिसमें मैं अगले दिन वापस आया हूँ। बट ओके, देखते हैं। लेट्स टेक वन मोर रिस्क। ओके ओके देन 1:30 राइट नाउ। तो 5-10 मिनट में फ्रेश होके, लाइक अनदर 5-10 मिनट्स टू पैक माई स्टाफ। और मौसम भी कुछ खास नहीं है बाहर। इट्स क्लाउडी वेदर आउटसाइड, नो सनशाइन। सुबह से वैसे यही हाल है यार। ठीक है, फिर देखते हैं जैसे जैसे चलेगा आगे चलेगा। ठीक है, ओके ओके। सो आई एम रेडी। रेडी तो क्या, बस मुंह धोया, ब्रश किया, कपड़े चेंज किए एंड आई एम रेडी। ठीक है, तो फिर बस आई हैव पैक्ड माई बैग। लेट मी शो यू। So this is my bag, my rucksack. This has all the necessary items which I need for the track. It's just for one night. Okay. So I have my sleeping bag. I have my luggage. Tent. Okay. And unfortunately, I don't have a mattress right now. Apart from that, I have my raincoat inside here. Okay. My water bottle, chocolates, energy bars, uh, and I forgot to buy this cold drink, energy drink. I think I don't need it. Yes, I have a few packets of noodles and soup. Okay, in case temperature goes low. And I'm carrying another jacket with me. Actually, I have dropped my plan to go to Hamta Pass. So there is a place called Jagat Sukh, a few kilometers from here in Manali. So I'll go there. From there, there is a link road to a place called Chika. So let me tell you, it's not the Chika, it's Chika. Chika is in Spiti Valley. This is in Kulu Valley only. It's very interior. I haven't been there. I've just checked it on map. So I'll be visiting that place. It's completely off-road, and we'll see till what extent I can take my bike, and from there I'll walk. So yeah, I forgot to mention I have carried a small axe and my survival knife. As usual, I carry it always. And what else? I have carried my extra power bank, cable, earphones, and fuel. Diesel. I prefer diesel instead of petrol. It burns very slow. So diesel is always good. Yeah, that's it. So weather seems to be pretty bad up here, though I have kept out each and everything, but I don't have waterproof shoes. So it doesn't look good up here. I have reached Jagatsukh, and I have catched a link road which goes to Dungan. Yeah, Dungan, whatever it is called. So it goes to that village, Dungan village, and it's like 12 kilometers from here. It's completely like off-road. You can see there's a, just look at the road, how it is. Look, the whole road is almost like this, and a beautiful, this small river is flowing through. I think I have to go deep inside that valley. Probably I'll be riding parallel to this small river only. So yeah, weather up there is not that good. Let's see. Let's take the challenge. Okay, so there is some check post up there. I'll have to see what it is. Okay, keep on recording. यहाँ से आगे नहीं जा सकते क्या? नहीं। आगे क्या है यहाँ पे? इलेक्ट्रिक हाइड्रो प्रोजेक्ट। अच्छा। आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? मैं तो मनाली से ही आ रहा ना। मनाली। मेरे को इधर का आइडिया नहीं था। नगर जाना? नगर नहीं जाना। हाँ। मैं तो पहले इस साइड को निकल रहा था कैंपिंग के लिए ना। अच्छा। फिर उधर परमिशन का पंगा है। इधर तो परमिशन है ही है। This is the barrier here. ठीक है, तो we cannot cross this. I want to escape this barrier. That's why I choose not to go Hamta. Instead of that, I thought of coming here. But here also I got the barrier. Anyways, this last village from here is around 12 kilometers. So we have hardly touched a kilometer from the road, and we got this barrier. So I'll park my bike here and we'll trek from here. Let's see how far I can go, and then we'll plan accordingly. ठीक है, तो I parked my bike here, inside this check post. This is my bag. Looks pretty heavy. I think आराम से 10-20 किलो तो होगा यार. After a long time I'm gonna test my skills. ठीक है, so I'm gonna walk back across this barrier and cross this barrier and deep into the valley. Okay, so I started my trek. I haven't thought I'll start so early, but चलो, इतने जल्दी अगर बैरियर आ गया है तो क्या बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है, and the site, okay, we are in 2 kilometers inside from the main this road. The main road is called Nagar Road and the site Duhangan, this one Duhangan, this okay. So camera, it's a front camera, so you are probably seeing the image ulta. So I started यहाँ से, it's for a good trekker, you see. It's not one but 2.5 hours of track, shortcut, and we'll reach Chika. There's a temple up there. So I just got to know that there is no road till temple. you have to climb up to the temple. Okay, look what इसका नाम तो मुझे पता नहीं है, but you see these fruits, this one, yeah, these are good, you can eat them. And this one, you can eat them. You can even eat the leaves also. These leaves are little sour in taste, so and so are these fruits, but not that much sour. It has little sweetness. The leaves are also good. So this is the path. I just hope ये पूरा का पूरा यार इसी तरह ना हो, हालत ख़राब होने वाली है. हाँ, एकदम बीच में हूँ मैं, पता है वेदर के. Like on my back sun is shining and my front just have a look, clouds are waiting for me. एक बार आए तो सही बंदा, फिर बताते हैं क्यों. And to my right, this beautiful river deep down there, and these are the apple orchards. This is a peach tree, this one. This is a peach tree. I don't know whether you guys are able to see yellow small fruits are there. This valley is beautiful. Oh, and see, these are the apple, you know, look, these are the apple orchards. Have a look. These are small right now, and it will take time for them to ripe. The more up you go, the later these apple will be ready to export, like the later they will ripe. It's a beautiful old home up there. I don't know, there's someone lives up there. Yeah, someone lives up there. Anyways, I don't want to disturb anyone. So as I was saying, the more up you go, the later these fruits will ripe, and the more juicy they are. Like they play like Himachal have a very different terrain. If you go towards Karsog, Rohanda, Janjeli, it's all around Mandi district. They also have apple orchards, but due to little hot weather comparatively to Manali, the apple gets ripe earlier. They are good, but when you compare them from Manali, non-Manali, Kullu, this whole area, it's the fruits here are like more juicy, and they have more value. And as you go up towards this Lahaul Spiti Valley basically Kinnaur fruits, they are ripe around August, November somewhere, yeah, and they are more juicier, even more than Kullu Manali. So it's like that. Okay, enough of knowledge on apples. Oh god, I'm gonna touch the road soon, and I have to look for another shortcut because I can't walk 10 kilometers, man. Like that also by road, not possible. I can walk 10 kilometers in this, but surely not on road. I don't want to waste my track. Yeah. So, okay, I'm up on the road here. Scooter going. There's a small village here. These are the local vehicles. Local taxi. Okay, I think I'm gonna wear my cap, my hat, because it's too, look, deep inside this valley. It's completely dark, and just look at my back. Sun is shining. Where are you, sun? It's there. Sorry. Yeah, so I'm almost in the middle. It's a very beautiful forest. Just have a look. Yeah, another entry. Secure. This must be the old one, I think. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna cut from here. Okay, it looks new, but I don't know why it's not working. People probably changed it.